Let's check our alignment first, sitting in a L shape on the ground, in the Handstand, flexing the feet, engaging the core. Let's lift the arms over the head straight parallel with each other, and let's bend the wrist. Check if you have right angle. If you don't have, you will need a very solid warm-up for your wrists before attempting any arm balances. Let's open and close the fist as fast as you can. This will warm up your wrists and your forearm. You should definitely not skip that. Wrists are very easy to injure. And we can also try the L shape, placing the palm on the wall, creating a right angle within our body. Drawing the belly here, don't allow the spine to arch, as this is not a back bend, that's a forward bend, so the spine should be close to neutral. Now it's the moment to check the position of your shoulders. And let's work on the position of the palms on the ground. Traditionally they should be exactly as your shoulders, and the middle finger should be facing forward. However, that doesn't work for everyone, and you should check for yourself. You might need to open them a few centimeters wider than shoulder width apart, and then the index finger will face forward, so check for yourself. And all the fingers should be spread as much as you can, except the thumb. The thumb should be in neutral position. And make sure that the weight of the body is falling on the palms as well, not only on the wrists. And externally rotating the shoulders. If you don't know what it is, this is when the elbows want to go to the ground. And then we spread the shoulder blades. So check for yourself what position works for you. Starting from our base, our palms, we can grow up and check the position of the shoulders. So we will push the feet into downward facing dog, and let's check again what is happening with your shoulder blades. If you squeeze the shoulders with each other, this is not the position that you want. You need to spread the shoulder blades, externally rotating the shoulders. That's again when your elbows want to touch the ground. So you also need to check here. For most of the people it works when the elbow is pointing to the side. However, for you it might be better when it's slightly pointing down. And let's try to walk the feet on the wall. And again, check the position of your shoulder blades. Try to spread them and slowly come up of the posture. You can repeat again if this was easy for you.